doing some transaction processing and so on. Most of them have come into place. I mean, 100% may not be in place, but definitely a lot of progress has happened in that area. And the basic building blocks are today there in most of the places. So I think the master plan will now need to think of how do we make use of this. Today the use is being done in a very limited way. So if an application was conceived for a certain thing, it is being used for that thing only. But now that we have all these building blocks in place, can we build on top of that and look at the next level of how we can use this infrastructure? And there I would like to take the example of the UID authority, which like Sharma ji said in the morning, that it is conceived as a, in fact they spent 1 year designing that how it should be conceived. And it is conceived as a platform. It is not conceived as a project or as a software, but that whole thing is conceived as a platform. So at the state level, and it just provides the identity. So it's a very focused platform. It is not doing too many things. Okay. So at the state level also, now that a lot of building blocks are in place, I think the government leadership and also the key industry leadership should get together and conceive of some platforms which can take advantage of these basic applications which have been implemented by the various departments and take these to the next level.